It's Monday, April 29th, and since nothing exciting really happened today, I'm probably going to tell you a little bit about my day and then get a little ADD on you. I spent a lot of the day watching YouTube, which is fairly normal. I was watching a lot of vlogs, because it's April and everybody's doing Vita, including the same event 3 times, because that's what happens when you have multiple YouTubers in a room together. The one event that happened 3 times was Michael Aranda, Hank Green, and Apprentice A, which is a group, not a single person, talking about The Fault in Our Death Stars. That is a mashup of The Fault in Our Stars and Star Wars, which I don't have a copy of to show you. Sorry. I lose nerd points. They were taking quotes from The Fault in Our Stars and quotes from Star Wars and combining them. And some of them, granted, were very funny because I understand both references. I'm not sure how many of you would. I'm just gonna link you to a video and let you watch it, and if you get the references, great. Looking at these 2 fabrics, which one would you think is called Peaceful Hearts? If you guessed this one, then you and I think the same way. And we're both wrong. A few weeks ago, one of my managers gave me a couple sets of My Little Pony stickers. I'm really not sure why. But one of my friends is a brony, so I may send them to him. It actually makes me a little happy that these are the old style ponies, because the new animation style is a little strange for me, but I was definitely into the ponies when I was, you know, between 4 and 12, and probably an embarrassing length of time after that. So that's all I have for today. Tomorrow is the last day of Vita. I'll either have something spectacular for you, or I'll get lazy and give you outtakes. Either way, have a good night.